up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really impromptu. As you can see, my little setup is completely different from how I normally am, but this is a highly requested video, so I thought I'd just go ahead and get it out to you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to thread and basically how to use a sewing machine from scratch. So if you would like to see that, then stay tuned. So this is a Singer Esteem 2, and if you are new to making wigs, y'all, you don't have to go out and buy a super expensive sewing machine. You can start with something as small as this machine. So starting out, the power plug. So this machine comes with a power plug, and this is the power plug, and it's also the foot pedal. Yeah, the foot pedal goes right here. Foot pedal goes on the floor on whatever side is your dominant foot, and this is the on and off switch. Turns your machine on, turns your machine off. Okay, so getting into the machine, this is the bobbin holder, and so this is used to create the bobbin. If you want a more detailed video on how to create a bobbin, then let me know that in the comment section. This video is basically for a new user. These machines do come with a bobbin already created, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is the spool and the spool pin. So this is the spool of thread that I'm using, and I will leave all of the information about my thread in the description box below, so definitely don't forget to check that out. So now I'm just going to place the thread back onto the spool pin and then replace the cap. So this is the width dial. It's going to determine how wide you want your stitch. This is the tension dial, and it's going to determine how tight you want your stitch to be. This next lever is the reverse lever. It's going to allow you to sew in the reverse motion. So this is the bobbin tension disc, and then this is the take up lever. This is the length knob, and it's going to determine how long you want your stitch to be. And then this is the knob to determine the type of stitch you want. Right now I have it on zigzag, but as you can see, if you turn it, the needle shifts because it's preparing for whatever stitch you would like. This is the presser foot, and this is what's going to keep your tracks, your fabric, or whatever you're sewing in place. Of course, this is the needle, and this is the needle threader, which I never use, but this comes with the machine, but I never use the needle threader. And then there is a latch in the back of the machine. It's for the operation of the presser foot and making the presser foot go up and down. So on this machine, this is where the bobbin is housed. You just want to remove the cover and then open the casing, and then you expose the bobbin. Now we're going to thread the machine. So the first thing you want to do is place your thread onto the spoolie and replace the cap in front of the thread. The cool thing about this machine is that it is beginner friendly because each step to threading the machine is numbered on the machine. So the first step is labeled in number 1, and then it goes all the way to step number 6. The first step is to go around the tension mechanism, and it's that little spool at the top of the machine. Then the next step, you want to guide the thread down the threading channel and then bring it back up through the take up lever, and you want to ensure that the thread is being caught by the take up lever. In order to get the lever to the top, you will need to turn the wheel. So the next step is to put the thread behind the lever in front of the needle, and then to thread the needle. So now that we have our needle threaded, we can move on to threading the bobbin. This is the bobbin holder, and this is what it looks like. So you just want to lift that lever, this lever that I'm showing you right here, to either remove and to replace the bobbin inside of the machine. So this is what the bobbin looks like. And you want to ensure when you're putting the bobbin inside of the bobbin holder that you are making sure it is going clockwise. In order to thread your bobbin, you want to look for this little latch lip right here, and then you just want to pull your thread through that and then down through the bottom half of the bobbin. So as a result of that, your thread should look like this. Now you just want to replace your bobbin, and remember you have to lift the latch in order for it to lock into place. So make sure you're lifting that little latch right there, and you're going to lock it straight into place. When you know that it's locked, the bobbin will not move to the left or to the right. So the last part is making sure that your bobbin thread is caught with the thread from the top of the machine. So in order to do this, you just want to turn your hand wheel towards you until the thread catches your bobbin thread like this. If you stuck with me to the end of the tutorial, thank you so much. You officially know how to thread your sewing machine and your bobbin, and you are ready to sew. If you would like more videos like this and more detailed videos on how I create my wigs, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Bye.